In today's video, I'll show you how to create a modern opening where hexagon-shaped elements rotate and move across the screen to reveal your video in a clean and futuristic way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so starting position matters. Tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the beginning, which is exactly where this rotating reveal should be applied. Scroll through the animation list until you find Hexagon Carousel, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, you'll see hexagon shapes rotating and sliding into place, gradually revealing the video underneath in a smooth carousel style motion. To control how this reveal feels, use the duration slider at the bottom. Dragging it to the left makes the rotation faster and more energetic. Dragging it to the right slows the movement down, giving the intro a smoother and more cinematic look. Preview the animation a few times and focus on how the rotation speed matches your footage. Small adjustments here can make the intro feel either bold or refined. And that's it. You've successfully added a hexagon carousel reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.